Assalamualaikum, this is Jahangir Nisar and welcome to JN Coders. Through this tutorial, we will learn how to create a form validation in this app. So let's start the journey. We are going to create the same kind of demo that is on display. This is our main screen and we will use the analysis option file where we fix the cons constructor error. Navigate to signup screen. Therefore, we require the form widget, and in this widget we will use a column for vertical alignment. In this widget we add a text form field, and this widget contains a decoration widget to customize the text form field widgets. In the text form field, use hint text widget. Now you can see here is the screen preview. For display images, now open the Perspec YAML file and specify where the picture folder should be located. Now we will enter the specified name. Right now the display is visible in this app. Every mandatory text form field will be included in this column. Therefore, enter the same value in the column widget for email, contact and password accordingly. We will enhance to signup screen by adding a title below the image. Now we will add submit button so we can utilize the elevated button widget. There is a space error due to opening this keyboard. So we will add a single child scroll view widget in the starting column to fix the error. We can add a password visible icon for password visibility. To secure the password, we added some widgets like autocorrect, enable suggestion and obscure text, etc. Sign up screen UI is ready now. So we are implementing all methods to connect every widget with each other. We will use a global key for form widget because the form widget is used to assign a unique identifier and manage state like validation and submission. Validator property is a callback function which is to provide a response from given data. So we will create a void function to use these properties. We will now test this function and add the void function property name to submit button. Each text form widget has a validator property, so we will enter every string property into every validator property.